Hi everyone. How to raise 6.5 kg broilers in 8 weeks. Simple steps for everyone. If you're a poultry farmer and you're into broiler farming, your aim is always getting your broilers done within a short period of time, because the lesser the time, the more profit you make. They will not consume much. So in this particular video, I want to guide you step by step on how to raise your broilers within a short period of time and get up to 6.5 kg or above in 8 weeks. Raising broilers that grow big and strong doesn't have to be hard. Let's talk about how to grow chickens that can weigh up to 6.5 kg in just 8 weeks. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, these steps will help you succeed. So I will gladly advise you to watch this video. Watch all the steps from beginning till the end. Step 1, start with right chicks. Choose healthy broilers chicks from a trusted farm. Please, if you are buying broilers, you have to open your eyes very well. Be careful so that you will not get the wrong breed. Some sell the old white cockerel and mix them up with broilers for you. Mix few broilers and you carry them to your farm. Most especially if you're a beginner, you may not even differentiate them because they look alike. And most of the time they said third stage broilers. That's weak hatch broiler. There are broilers that hatched weekly. If they are weak, if they're not first grade, they will not grow fast. So the weight at which you receive that day old chicks matters. So make sure you check the weight when you receive them. At least they should be up to 75 to 80 grams at the initial stage. This will show you that this particular broiler is growing fast. If they are very weak and slimy in nature, they may not grow fast. So the old chicks matters a lot. The farm or the hatchery that hatch the best matters a lot, and the breed of that particular broiler matters a lot also. Look for chicks that are active, bright eyes, and chirping loud. The ones that have sharp eyes, you watch their whole body, know that they are very sharp. May looking at them alone, you know that they are very sharp. That is the first stage. Second stage is prepare a warm and clean home. Before the arrival of your day old chicks, make sure you have already prepared your brooder. Please fumigate your brooder always before bringing in new batch of birds. There are some diseases that may be left in that particular pen, and once you bring in new birds, they will be infected and the bacteria will be eating them gradually. This can even prevent them from converting the feed. You may not know, and you feed. This is a hatchery. This is the same hatchery, the same brooding room. No, it's not like that. Make sure you fumigate your brooding room before bringing in new chicks. Please keep your broiler's house clean, dry, and safe from predators. All these parasites, all these reptiles like crawlers, lizard, cockroach, rats, all these can infect your broilers. Most especially when they are young, their immunity is not yet strong. Make sure there is enough space for the chicks to move around freely. Space is very important, please. Make sure they have enough space. When they move around, they'll be able to convert the feed they eat, and this will also help them to grow faster and bigger. Keep the room warm with a heat source like lamp or gas brooding heater. Chicks need warmth, especially in the first 2 weeks of life. Make sure they have a very good temperature that is good for them. If the temperature is not adequate, they will be clustering together, and once they are clustering together, they will not eat well. And if they don't eat well, there is no way they can convert the feed, and if they don't convert the feed, there's no way they will grow. The same chick, the same hatchery, but poor management skill will make them not to get the same weight. It will deprive you that weight you are looking for. Follow the step, please. The next stage is stage 3. Feed them the right food. Use super starter, please. Use super starter up to 24% crude protein to start with the first week of life. 24% crude protein the first week of life. Then go on with starter the second week. It helps them grow strong bones and muscles. Switch to grower feed 3rd to 5th week. This feed help them get weight fast. Feed with finisher. the 6 to 8 weeks finisher. It makes the broilers big and ready for sale. Please don't use one feed from beginning to end. You may not get better results. Make sure you switch over from stage to stage to get the best result. Next stage is 4th stage. Give clean water always. Water is very important. They can't eat well if there is no water. Even if the water is not neat, it will also stop them from eating. So make sure you give them clean, cool water always. Chickens drink a lot of water. Make sure the water is clean and fresh every day. Add vitamins to their water to make them healthier and stronger. See this. This is Eco Bio Boost. If you have this, you can always use this for them. See, this is Eco Bio Boost. Can use it for them. I always tell you about this particular probiotic. It's an organic extract from different sophisticated plants. Extract from plants that can help you to grow your broilers within a short period of time. Always use it. If you have it, if you don't have it, ask me in the comment section. I will tell you how to get it. 5th stage is keep the broilers healthy. Watch your broilers daily. If any one of them look weak or sick, separate them quickly from others, please. Clean their feeders, drinkers, and house regularly to prevent diseases. Once there is any outbreak of diseases, this will prevent them from getting that weight within a short period of time. So you now come back and say, this man is not telling me the truth. I've tried all. Once there's an outbreak and you treat them before they recover from that infection, the time have elapsed, you won't get that weight. Provide enough light. Give them light at night. Make sure they don't stay in darkness. Broilers eat always, provided they see light. And once they eat, they will be able to convert that same feed for you. Please always give them light at night. Chickens need light to eat and grow, especially at night. Use a bulb to provide light for them. Stage 7 is give them room to grow. Make sure your broilers have enough space to move, eat, and rest. Crowding them can slow their growth. Overcrowding can even cause stampeding, and the stampeding can cause high mortality, and say high mortality can cause low profit or even no profit at all. Stage 8, track their growth always. You must have a mini scale or digital scale that you can use to weigh them on weekly basis to know actually if they are gaining weight or not. Please do this always. Weigh your broilers every week to check if they are growing well. If some are not gaining weight, check their feed, water, and health. Separate them. Those ones that are not growing the same rate with others, separate them from others and give them more food and water to make sure they meet up with others. Stage 9 is sell or process at the right time. At 8 weeks, your broilers should weigh about 6.5 kg or more. If you have followed these steps from beginning to the end, sell them to buyers or process them for meat when they reach this weight, so that once they reach this weight and you don't sell them, they will start going down, unless, because they have growth stage. Once they exceed that growth stage, they will start depreciate. The growth will start depreciating and they will start coming down. No matter what you feed them, they have matured, and once they are matured, they will start losing that weight, and you will not recover that weight again because they are growing older. Broilers grow fast when they are cared for every day. Stick to the feeding schedule. Keep their home clean and always check their health. By following all these steps I'm giving you here, you have very big healthy broilers in just 8 weeks. You can even make good money from selling them. Start today and enjoy the rewards of poultry farming. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video very interesting, you have gained knowledge from this video, please help me and give this video a thumb up. Like the video, share this video to reach more farmers. Thank you for watching this video. I'm coming with another interesting topic on the same channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe. Subscribe and activate the bell notification, and you can still go further by becoming our channel member. By subscribing to the channel membership, click that join. Once you click that join button, or go to my channel description, you see the membership link there. Click on the link and join. Choose one of the membership category and join. This will give you 24/7 attention. It will also give you right to discuss with me on issues concerning your business, and I will also give you attention and give you directives on how to make profit from your business. Channel membership helps us to provide all the materials to help you and to serve you in this particular channel. This is the way you can help us to grow the channel. Thank you for watching this video till now, and remain blessed till I come with the next topic loading very soon. For now, I say bye.